my name's Hannah, your favorite perfectly imperfect scribble artist, or soon to be, and if you're new here, I post videos on Mondays and Wednesdays or Thursdays. I haven't decided yet officially on the second date. But I also have a bunch of videos on TikTok, Instagram, and yeah, subscribe to my YouTube channel, check out everything that I have, and let's get started with the video. So today I'm going to be going over the 2 books that I have published. These 2. Oh, also, disclaimer, my hands are purple because I dyed my hair this morning purple, the front, and it dyed my hands as well. Anyways, we're gonna start with my first publication. This book came out in 2021. It's called A Year in My Lives. So I live stream every single Tuesday night from 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock Central Standard Time, and I take drawing requests from everyone who joins the live. And this book is a compilation of every single thing I drew during my live stream for an entire year, starting in, I think, August of 2020 and going through August of 2021. It's really cool because this whole project kind of happened during the pandemic. Everybody was at home just chilling, watching my live stream, and everyone would join my live, suggest something for me to draw. I would take like 30 suggestions. After I got about 30 suggestions, I would pick my favorite and I would start drawing it without telling anyone what it was that I'm drawing. And I still do these live streams every single Tuesday at 9 on TikTok and Instagram, so definitely join if you are interested. But this book contains over 300 drawings from those live streams, so I'll just flip through some of them here for you. Oh, I love this one. So everything's kind of categorized out. I have like an animal section, and I have the vintage section, the Christmas section, the food section. Yeah, and oh, I didn't realize that was not really in frame. So you have the food section, the plant section, the pride section, and it's just naturally everything that people suggested over the course of the year. And usually during around holidays, people will suggest holiday things. You know, during seasons changing, people will request those kinds of things. And so there really is such a fun, broad array. And some of the pieces, I have a little like tidbit about the background of the piece, and all of the names are up in the corner as well. So this is the cover. The spine, I designed it all myself. This copy looks kind of rough because this is my show copy. I bring it to shows and everyone touches it, so it's normally pristine white. Yeah, and then on the back it just says, what would happen if you live streamed every Tuesday for a year and only drew things requested by the viewers? I think we can all agree that the results are perfectly imperfect works of art. And yeah, I really love it. It's kind of the first thing that I did professionally that felt very unapologetically me and just super cool and unique to myself. This is the first page. That's me. I took this photo on my iPhone and edited it myself because I didn't have a lot of money at the time. Concept born in a pandemic. This page just kind of talks about the book, and yeah, table of contents is here. So I have a section of scribble ladies, Valentine's Day, Easter, Halloween, Thanksgiving, winter holidays, New Year's Eve / day, seasonal, vintage, animals, pride, plants, food, travel, and miscellaneous. And the book is 208 pages. Wow, I was right, it's 208 pages. So anyways, this book is called A Year in My Lives. If you order a copy off my website, I will sign it and send it to you. If you want a special message written in it, write that in the notes section when you check out, or send me a message, and I would love to do that for you. And then the second book that I published is this one, and it's a children's book, a bit different than my last one, but this one is very cute none the same. So the story behind this book is my friend wrote this poem when she was 8 called Ive Got Pox, and it was about her experience with chicken pox when she was 8. Her mom helped her write it, you know, while she was sick because she was home from school obviously and had nothing else to do. And so she wanted me to illustrate it so she could gift it to her mom just for her birthday, just for fun. And I thought, well, if I'm gonna go ahead and illustrate an entire book, I might as well publish it. So that's what we did. Now we have the book, Ive Got Pox. And I can just read this one to you because it's super cute. So, Ive Got Pox. We have the first page. This page is just a little dedication page, and the Love Shania is like actually her handwriting from when she was a kid, which I thought was a nice little touch. Okay, I've got spots, I've got dots, I've got lots of chicken pox. They're bumpy, they're lumpy, they're making me grumpy. I'm itchy, I'm scratchy, I'm all pink and patchy. I whine. I did all of the art, so I illustrated it. I complain, the pox are a pain. They're here, they're there. They're everywhere. But watch, just see. They'll soon leave me. Be careful. Beware, I can't help but share. And you can see the little guys, chickenpox, are jumping off of him. The end. That's the book. It's a super cute little children's book. It's actually available on Amazon, but I get like no money when they get sold on Amazon. So if you want to buy one of those, definitely buy it off of my website, but I won't get mad at you if you buy it off of Amazon. Yeah, my parents have one so they can read it to their grandkids. They don't have any grandkids yet, so we'll see how long that takes. And yeah, I have it in a couple local bookstores, but it's mostly just available on Amazon and on my website. So those are the 2 books I published so far. But thinking about like future books that I want to publish, I really want to publish a scribble portrait book that's just like a giant, huge book of all of the scribble ladies I've ever done. Not just scribble ladies, all of the scribble portraits I've ever done. And just kind of showcasing like the body positivity, the wide variety of humans who grace this planet. Yeah, and just share that. I think it would be a really cool fine art book, but something like that I know is going to be very expensive to do, so it's in the future plans. It will happen eventually. I also have plans for more children's books. Like, I have this character of a ghost, and I think it would be really cute to write some little children's books about the ghost, and maybe something about cats, because I have a really cute cat illustration too. But I think illustrating children's books is really fun. Also doing fine art books is super fun. So yeah, these are the 2 books that I have published. Thank you so much for watching and learning a little bit more about them. If you have more questions about them, like, I would love to hear the questions, answer them, and if you have ideas for other books that you think would be fun for me to do, or if you've written a book and you're looking for an illustrator, hit me up. I would love to do it for you. But yeah, I'll link them both in the description below. You can go purchase them on my website if you're so inclined. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, learned a little bit about my books, and I will see you in the next video.